is.
Yeah. Oh, hey.
After a good evening, afternoon, still afternoon. Evening's like, well, what's the evening? It's like 4
Good
o'clock, 5 o'clock.
evening.
It's good after evening. Or it's not even after the evening, it's a good, like,
Good
pre evening.
after evening.
I'll say that.
Uh-huh.
Alright, so,
Oh no.
I'll show y'all how to master the ancient art of making a video.
Click a
Port. What was that?
computer. Is clipchamp an app you can download on the computer?
Yeah, it is. It's for free also, and it also connects with your Microsoft stuff or something like that. Because I know there's like a cloud saving thing, although it didn't really work super well as I was doing it earlier, which is weird. But I think it kind of works like that. But anyway, yeah, here it is. I'll do full screen. You can see my screen, right?
Yes.
Good.
Sick.
So yeah, first things first, you can do import media, or you can just like drag it from whatever thing, drop it here. Let's do this for now. Video. Wait, I think this is the one that I wanted to use. Let me just see. Unable to import some media. Only
Oh,
supports
that's
image, audio, and oh, was that an MP3 maybe? I don't know what that was. Hang on. Okay, this is easier. I'll just do that. So then you take it, you put it there. So this is where like the editing process kind of. You can also do that with it, which is pretty cool. Oh, you can change like the wideness and stuff. For this, since this was taken on my phone, 9:16 ratio is probably the best. Well, we can do that too. Just have a big like black screen. But if you had something like in a like actual like legit format, then you might want to make it wider. But we can do that ratio, I guess. But anyway, I'll show you how to like cut stuff and like move it around or whatever. So let's say you just put this wherever you want to like begin. Like let's say there, press split, and you take it, drag it to the point you want to end it at. Press split again, and you click on that chunk that you don't want in there. Then you press delete, so that's gone now. And then just kind of like mesh the two like ends of it together. So there you go. Now that chunk that you don't want in there, all gone. Pretty straightforward. I think you all can agree, right?
yeah.
Mm. You with me,
It's
Ab?
like high school.
Yeah. This I found was like pretty simple to do stuff with. Any other stuff, you can add text. Um. So wait, how? Okay, yeah, you have different like, I guess, formats you can use, but we'll just do plain text just for um, demonstration. Um, oh, you can even change the font here, so that's cool. Do that. Oh, downloading. I guess some of these have to be downloaded. I should just use the base one. Um, okay, can I cancel that? Alright, cool. Guess we'll just wait for that. Or not. Okay, that perfect. I stopped it. Change the font size. Oh, you can make it bold or italics if you really want. That's annoying. Whatever. I'll just actually show you how to do images. It's kind of the same thing. I think. Oh, okay, yeah. Go back to this, then import media. Find whatever image you want to put in there. So maybe I don't actually have any images. Meme folder.
Meme
Uh,
folder.
all right, I'll use that one. Then you can put that. I think yeah, it would go there. Where is it? What? Okay. I don't know why it's like really skinny though. But I think you can like increase like the length of it so it's not just there for like a split second. It was working just fine like earlier ago. Oh, also you can do that. Increase or decrease the size of it however you want. So like if you wanted it like there, yeah, you can adjust that
Ooh.
however you please. Yeah, that's
You're a
weird.
teacher now, Will.
Yep. Yeah, even teachers didn't have technical difficulties. Yeah, I don't get this. Yeah, it was like working fine, like, earlier when I did something like this.
Will, can you hear Adam?
Uh, I can't currently hear him. Can you? Is he even
He's
saying anything?
trying to talk to you, yeah.
Oh, he is?
Yeah, I thought it was weird that you weren't replying to him.
Oh, yeah, I haven't really heard him for, like, quite a while at this point.
Yeah, he wants to know how you got the image from the library and like put it in. What buttons you clicked exactly.
Oh, there's, like, two ways of doing this. You can either do the import media option. Oh, by the way, if you're wondering about this file, this is just a bunch of, like, where I saved all my memes to a particular folder, which I have in... Wait, where did I? Oh, yeah, I have this on my D drive. But yeah, go to whatever, like, file you have, like, the image you want in there. And, yeah, you take that, open that, and then there you go. Or, you can do it this way. You can just, like, open up the file separately and then just drag it. That works too.
Yeah, he's just asking about how you would add specifically audio music. He was saying kind of like an AI generated voice or something similar to that.
Yeah, I
Or
think
song.
yeah, that would be an MP3 file. Make sure to like whatever video you have is converted to that. Then you'd want to drag that in here or just import media. Then you want to drag it
Hmm?
to whatever sub timeline you have. Um, you can place it accordingly. There's a certain thing you could. Oh, I think it's called. Wait, hang on. All right, VLC. I think. You want to get VLC Media Player. If you don't already have your thing as an MP3.
Mm-hmm.
The one downloading, make sure the link is legit. I think this is Windows. Start in a few seconds. Alright, so we get that. Make changes. English. Next. Install. Yeah, go to media. Press convert /save. You want to add thing. Yeah. You press convert save. And then. Oh crap! I don't know how I did that. Oh yeah. Okay. This is where you have your different video types. You want to get MP3 because that'll just be the sound only. And then choose where you want to dump it. So we'll just like go to videos. And then save, start.
It's playing over both audio sounds then?
Yeah. Well, I could like either mute or unmute that, and then it'll just be the MP3. But like regardless, if as long as you have it in the spot you want, then it'll play at that particular time frame. Anyway, so I can put like whatever in there, then do increase the size of it, then settle it. How do I move it though? What the heck? Okay, there we go. Yeah, it's very picky about where you want it. But yeah. So that's like pretty straightforward, except I can't seem to get it to extend.
Yeah, that's really cool. It's cool that you can like dissect the video and move different parts around and add stuff in and like put it over, but also have it in the background.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Yeah, normally like yeah, it would just be perfect. Like if it would let you like extend the images and the text, which it should, and at that point you pretty much got like everything you need to make like a half decent video. And this is all free, by the way. You just have to download.
Yeah, that's really good for a free platform.
To make it
Oh
easier.
my
You
gosh, what
can.
did you do?
I just remembered how you can do this. You can zoom out or zoom in.
Oh,
Okay, that's actually really
oh
helpful
my
because
gosh.
now I can physically
Ah, there
interact
we
with it. So
go.
now that's pretty much all you need to know. You can extend that. You can take the text. You can extend that too. So you can have like whatever show on your screen for like 5 hours if you wanted. Also with the shut up cracker meme. Uh, then there's like also the MP3 that'll play as well. So let's. You might not
And
be
then you
able to
can
hear this.
extend that.
Uh, the MP3. Oh wait, can you? Wait, I guess it can. I think at that point it would just like um
Repeats? Oh, I guess it's as long as it goes. So
oh
maybe you can just cut the MP3 audio off.
audio. So you can make it like louder or quieter, I guess. Depends on whatever you select. Like MP3, you can have like up to like 200 if you want, or just select the video. You can like mute it or 200%. Fade. Let's actually touch on that because now that this works. Oh,
Oh.
maybe it's like a
So
transition
does it
kind
like,
of thing.
so it will like fade out the meme at the end? Or is it going to fade the video that you're on? Because you have the video selected.
Oh, maybe. Well, let's actually find out. I'm curious about that. That's really cool.
Yeah, it had like a little fade in the beginning.
Yeah. And
It
then
had like that little blackout. That was cool.
I think the same will even work with like the image you have selected. So let's try that. Okay. Wow, that's really cool. And then the outro. Sweet. So you can upgrade to get more options. Then when you're, I think, ready, you press export. You can choose video
And then you
quality.
can like export it to YouTube.
I don't think it goes directly to YouTube. I mean, maybe it does. I'll actually look at that in a moment, but choose the quality. 4K requires like an upgrade. Well, let's just do like 1080p, I guess. That's the highest we can go. But yeah, it's gonna like um, put it all together, and then it'll download straight to your computer. It'll probably show up in like, I think it would go to downloads, or no, it probably. Can't think where else it would go. Not videos maybe. Either downloads or videos. Oh, you know what? I think you can actually like share it to YouTube from here. You connect to YouTube. Yeah, we can use that email, I guess. Cool. So yeah, I guess you could just work on all of this while it's preparing this, and then just like immediately be able to like upload it. So you can like do like the description, blah blah blah, or something like that. I don't know. Then like privacy settings, like public, or you just make it private. I don't know, whatever you want to do with it. Then the category, you can give it a category like entertainment. What else? Made for kids. Although if it's made for kids, it doesn't get ad. It just you can't monetize it if it's made for kids. Or at least like last I checked. Maybe they changed that because it's kind of dumb. Or say no, it's not made for kids, and you can make money. Or what else? So yeah, then you just press upload, I guess. But I don't really want to upload this, so I'm not even gonna bother. I'll just let it do its thing. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it.